morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to reduce this type of rational numbers in the simplest form by HCF method. Now look here. This is the question. Find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. We have to find the HCF as HCF by division method. The previous video I had taught you. HCF by division method, and then reduce these fractions in the very simplest form. Now you can see these two numbers. This number is smaller, so 105 becomes the divisor and 245 becomes the dividend. So 105 into 2 you do. 2 5 are 10, carry 1, 2, 0, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 1 are 2. 210 very nearest to this. So we can take 2s as 210. The remainder is 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So this 105, the previous divisor, take it in. Now 35, how many is that? Let us see. Suppose 3s are. 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. So 3s are 105 minus 0 0 0. So HCF is equal to S. HCF of 105 and 35, sorry, and 245 is the last divisor, that is 35. So that means these two numbers are divisible by 35. So therefore the simplest form will be like this way. 105 upon 245. This is equal to 105 divided by 35, that is the HCF, upon 245 divided by 35. So we can do division and see. Now see here. 105 divided by 35. 35, how many is 35? Let us see. Suppose 3s are. 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 9, 1 10. So it is 3s are. Divisible by 3 is 105 minus 0 0. That means this number 35 3s is 105. So the simplest form is 3 here upon. Now next is 245 divided by 35. So 35 let us take suppose 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 carry 3. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. So we got 7s are. 7s are, it is 245 minus 0 0 0. Therefore the simplest form here is 3 by 7. So this fraction 105 upon 245 is reduced to 3 by 7. So this working rough calculation you have to do in the working column in your book. Next example. So again here 96 upon 132 you have to bring it in the simplest form in this way. So to bring it, now let us find out the HCF of these two numbers. So 96 is smaller number, right? It becomes the divisor. 132 is the dividend. So 96, suppose 2s are we take. 2 6 is 12, carry 1, 2 9 is 18 plus 1 19. It is more than 132. So therefore we will take 1 is 96 minus. Now 2 minus 6 is not possible. Borrow 1 here to remains. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now here 1 and 2, 12. 12 minus 9 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 3. So now take this 36 as the divisor and previous number 96. Now here 36 2s are 2 6 is 12, carry 1, 2 6 1 7. So 2s are nearest is 72. Subtract it. 4 is the remainder here. 7, 8, 9. 24 is the remainder. Now again this you take it as the divisor. Now 36. So 24 2s is 48. So again it will go 1s is 24 minus. Then 2 is remaining. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 12. 12 becomes the divisor and 24 here is the dividend. 12 2s is 24 minus 0 0. So here the last divisor is 12. Therefore HCF. Therefore HCF of 96 and 132 is 12. So we have to divide these two numbers by 12 to bring it in the simplest form. Therefore, simplest form. (96 by 132). This is equal to 96 divided by 12. Again 132 divided by 12. 12 8 is 96, we know. So it is 8. Now 132, if you don't know, divide it by 12. 12 ones is 12 minus 1 is the remainder. Bring down these two. Again 12 ones is 12 minus 0 0. So the answer is 11. Therefore the simplest form here is 8 by 11. We can do here also division and see properly and do. 12 8 is 96 minus 0. So 132 divided by 12. 12 ones is 12 minus 12 remainder. Bring down this 2. So 12 ones is 12. So we got the simplest form of 96 by 132 is 8 by 11. So let us go with the next question. Here the question is 120 by 105. Now the denominator 105 is smaller than 120, the numerator. So let us take 105 as the divisor, 120 as the dividend. 105 ones are 105 very nearest, minus 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so borrow 1 here, here 1 remains. So 10 minus 5 is 5, here 1. Now this is 15. 105 you take previous divisor. 15 how many is suppose 9 5 the 45, 5 carry 4, 9 1 the 9 10. Let us take 7. 7 5 is 35, carry 3, 7 1 7 8 9 10. So 7 is 105 minus 0 0 0. So we got the last divisor as 50. So therefore HCF of 120 and 105 is 50. Therefore simplest form. We have to divide both these numbers by 50. 120 by 105. This is equal to 120 divided by 15 upon 105 divided by 50. So do the division. 120 divided by 15. 15. 8 are let us do. 8 5 is 40. Carry 4. 8 was 8. 9 10 11 12. So 8 is 120. Minus 0 0. So we got simplest form here 8 upon. Now 105 divided by 15 you do. Again. So 15 how many are? 15 sevens we have seen it's 105. 15 sevens is 105 divide minus 0 0. So therefore here 7 is 8 by 7 is the simplest form of 120 by 105. Next question. 115 by 92. So this again denominator is smaller than the numerator. So 92 becomes the divisor. 115 is the dividend. So 92 and 115 is very nearest. So it will go 1 is 92 minus the remainder is 5 minus 2 is 3 here and 9, 10, 11. 2 is the remainder. 23 here 92 the previous divisor. 23 7 are suppose 7 3 is a 21 carry 2. 7 is a 14. 5 is a 5 3 is a 15 carry 1. 5 to the 10 11. No. 23 into 4 let us see. 4 3 is a 12 carry 4 to the 8 1 9. Yes. 4 is a. So it is 92 minus 0 0. Therefore here HCF of 115 and 92 is 23, the last divisor. So simplest form. Therefore simplest form will be form of 115 upon 92. This is equal to 115 divided by 23 upon 92 divided by 23. This will be equal to as. Now let us do the division. 115 divided by 23. 23 into 5. Let us see. 5 to the 15 carry 1. 5 to the 10 11. So 5 is 115 minus 0 0 0. Therefore we got the simplest form here. It is 5 by. Now 92 you divided by 23. So 23 I think suppose 4 3 12 carry on 4 to the 8 1 9. Yes. 4 is 92 minus 0 0. Therefore here we got the simplest form as 5 by 4. So in this way using HCF we can bring this type of fraction in the simplest form.